gonna be doing something different today. Something very I'm gonna be doing something different today, and that's gonna be doing a live recording. Yes, it's not a live stream, but it's gonna be a live recording. So look, you see this? I'm gonna recreate this sound with you right now before I release the individual. Alright, yeah, I can do that. I just need to find a good location. Perfect. I found the perfect spot to do this amazing, wonderful sound. Okay, right here. Okay, let's try it again. Yeah, that's probably good. Let's have a listen. Yeah, good. Okay, which monster next? I'm not spoiling the full song, by the way. You're gonna have to wait. You have to wait. Okay, I'm gonna. Let's see. Hello, I'm Pummel. Yeah, good. Okay. Let's listen. I actually have a good idea for that. Get. You see, Pummel basically has nothing in the song, so. Hello, I'm Pummel again. Hello, I'm Pummel again. Hello, I'm Pummel again. Hello, I'm Pummel again. That one of the best ones, honestly. Like, you know what I do? Right, yes, sir. On mute. Hello, I'm Pummel. Hello, I'm Pummel again. Hello, I'm Pummel again. Hello, I'm Pummel again. Hello, I'm Pummel. Hello, I'm Pummel. Hello, I'm Pummel again. Hello, I'm Pummel again. Hello, I'm Pummel again. Hello, I'm Pummel. Hello, I'm Pummel. Hello, I'm Pummel again. Hello, I'm Pummel again. Hello, I'm Pummel again. Hello, I'm Pummel. Yo, this is actually. Wait, this is the best sounding one. Hello, I'm Pummel. Hello, I'm Pummel again. Hello, I'm Pummel again. Hello, I'm Pummel again. Hello, I'm Pummel. I hooked. That's very good right there. Hello, I'm Pummel. Hello, I'm Pummel again. Hello, I'm Pummel again. Hello, I'm Pummel again. Hello, I'm Pummel. Hello, I'm Pummel. Hello, I'm Pummel again. Hello, I'm Pummel again. Hello, I'm Pummel again. Hello, I'm Pummel. Okay, that's enough. Okay, let's do another one. Which one? Which one? Oh yeah, some good beatboxing. Beatboxing. Let's see what I have to do. I don't even think I have to listen. I could just, yeah, I just need to like just spit all over the place and that's it. Who records shrub? You know, oh, I actually need to get a towel. Okay, it's cleaned. Let's listen to what monstrosity I did. Wait, spit is actually landing on my face. I could literally feel it. I swear I just felt something. Hold on. Wait. I have the most wonderful, fantastical idea. First off, we're gonna do pummel. And then we're gonna do pummel with this guy. Oh, wait.
Hello, I'm Pummel. Hello, I'm Pummel again. Hello, I'm Pummel again. Hello, I'm Pummel again.
Wait. 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 Bro, why do they not play together? Bro.
Hello, I'm Pummel. Hello, I'm Pummel again. Hello, I'm Pummel again. Hello, I'm Pummel again. Hello, I'm Pummel again.
I think I'm just gonna do scups. Yeah, scups. Scups is basically just farting noises. I can do that easily. Farting noises, my specialty. Hmm. Okay. Should I listen to it? Should I even bother listening to it? I mean, I already know it's perfect. Yeah, that's perfect. Let's listen to this one now. Yeah. I, that was so bad. I need to redo that. Hold on, wait, did this get redone? Hold on. Oh, no, okay. Eh. Yeah, that's good. After the video, I spoiled some, but yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah.